Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a infographics chart on your Google Sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a infographics chart on your Canva Sheets on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. So for that, I'm just going to select a total of three data. Then you just need to click on the element section on the bottom. Then here you just scroll down, click on the chart option. After then just scroll down to the bottom section, you can find option called infographics charts. Click on the CL option. So here you have 5 different themes like progress swing, progress bar, radial progress and progress dial and some other more. So just go with the progress swing. So here you can just adjust the percentage by just using this. And also the line weight also can be customized. And also if you just need a percentage, you can just use this option. And then you just need to change the color. It's simple. Click on the color option and you can just change whatever the color you just needed. It's so simple to change the color and also to drive the percentage wheel. So this is how you just use this infographics wheel on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.